Well, welcome to the week 7 video lecture. Yay, it's the week before spring break. So have fun on spring break. Enjoy your friends. Just be safe. I want you to come back on the flip side. So week 7, well, what are we doing? We're talking about peer reviews. Now, peer review is an extra credit opportunity if you'd like. It's due by Wednesday, March 4th. There's links on the homepage where to find. Here are the people that submitted work for peer review. If you wanted to do one of those, just find one and then complete the peer review. Okay? And here's what the writer's responsibility is. And here's just information on peer review. You think it's, well, I don't want to do this. I don't get any feedback. Well, one journal article I wrote, I had to do 25 revisions on it. For my dissertation, I was doing weekly revisions on chapters. So yeah, peer review is a good thing. You learn where there's holes, where you're not communicating precisely. And this is good in technical writing because you have to get certain information across to your reader so they can go and make decisions. So what's our weekly assignment? Well, we're going to read Chapter 10, Howdy or Hello. There's 3 short readings. And you're going to complete a weekly discussion post like we always do. I should not have to tell you that a student response is due. That's part of the weekly discussion posts. If you're not sure, check the assignment description. It's posted in there. Here's information on the extra credit, how to how to complete a review of someone else's work. Remember, the big assignment, Project 1, is due Sunday, March 8th. So you can finish editing, polishing it, change the file name from draft to final. And remember, there is a file naming procedure. It's first name _ last name, Project 1, final. And remember, I only accept Word document files. I do not accept links to Word documents. If you were working with Word online, there's a little icon in the upper right that says arrow says download. That's how you download the file, save it, and submit it. I do not accept PDF files. If work is submitted as a PDF or a link to something online, to your OneDrive, Google Docs, I will not evaluate it. It'll sit there. By the end of the semester, it'll turn from nothing to a 0. So pay heed to what type of file you're using. Okay, that's all I have for this. Please, everybody, go and enjoy spring break, but be careful. Like I said, I want to see you on the flip side. That's all for now. Bye.